K-Beauty is absolutely killing it with all their products, and I featured so many of them. But the highlighter is something that got left behind. I am making a video with the highlighters that will suit my skin tone and yours. They have 6 shades, but I'm going to tell you which are my favorites and which look absolutely smashing on me. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you to Joy Geeks. If you're new here, I create tons of beauty content, makeup, lipstick swatches, and this video is about this beautiful highlighters from K-Beauty. It's called the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, and I have been tom-tomming about one shade, which is Honey Glaze, which makes it look really natural yet makes my cheek pop. So I feel that K-Beauty has been consistent in its quality and I have been loving their products ever since their first launch got done. After that, I think whatever they have launched so far, I have been loving. So I want to quickly take you through the highlighters in this video. To begin with, the packaging, like I always talk about, is really slim. It's very trendy. It's got this rose gold, they have their K-Beauty logo all over it. It's very well done. It's very easy and travel friendly. The lock is good. There's a wonderful mirror. So yes, the packaging is absolutely travel friendly, very convenient to store, very convenient to use, sturdy, stylish, all of those things. And this costs rupees 799, but I have often got it only at 679 because often it's at 15% off. These are also paraben free and not tested on animals, so wonderful about that. Let me straight start with the first shade, which is my complete favorite. It is called Honey Glaze. It is this beautiful, very brown, friendly shade, which for my skin looks very natural when you apply this. For darker shades, for darker skin tones than me as well, I think it would do very well when you want a very natural finish. For very fair girls, I'm not sure. This may look a little brown, but I think it may just work because for an Indian skin tone, I think it would work. It's very buttery even when I just swatch it. It is not something that, the powder is just flaking away. There's something wonderfully moisturizing about it. Even when I just, swipe my finger across it, I can feel that creaminess. So yeah, this is my most favorite shade. I have been using it for a really long time. Before I went and got 2 more because I loved it so much. So Honey Glaze, beautiful brown, golden, lovely shade, which makes my skin just come alive without it showing its presence too strongly. Why I really like these is because it is truly a one-stroke glow, like they're saying it. You will see in the swatches that I have done at the back of my palm that it is beaming, yet it is not chunky glitters on my face, which I cannot stand. I generally like very natural looking highlighter, but somehow these colors, even though it is slightly shimmery, they don't look very odd on the face. In fact, it really makes your skin glow in a very nice and wet way, which I love. It is a weightless formula, like they say. Super blendable, no doubt about it. I hate when there is a strong streak of highlighter which shows. It should just look like there's a glow from within, and that happens. And it has a luminous sheen. It is long staying, and they say it's enriched with avocado and mango butter, I guess, which is why it doesn't look flaky. It doesn't look like, there's a top layer on your face. It just blends in with your skin, and I would say it is hydrating because it's not making my skin go dry in any way. So I love all the claims. I agree with all of them. If you're enjoying the video so far, do not forget to hit the like button and do not miss to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. The next shade I'm going to talk about is Rosy Dew. Now, you know what? I never thought I would like a pink highlighter on me. This is a muted pink highlighter, and I was very surprised a while ago when I first tried a pink highlighter, and it just blended in with my skin so beautifully, and it gives you that extra feminine kind of that glow, which I feel this does. and you can see actually on my cheek. And I am somebody who still will apply very less. If you wish, you can go all out and apply a lot more, and it will still not look crazy. It will still look all right. So I love this. This is a beautiful pink color. I think this will suit across skin tones. I think this would even work on very, darker skin girls than me, because it works very well on me. It just blended in very well. I have not tried the other three, but um, I just felt that these would be my favorite. If at some point I try the other three, I will tell you which of them worked very well for me. The next one I have is Champagne Fizz. Now, Champagne Fizz is this beautiful, it is gold, but it is very suited to our skin tone, to the Indian skin tone, because it does not look streaky. It does not look like a top layer. It has, for, I would say, even for a regular party you could wear it. You don't have to wait for a wedding to wear this. That is how well this blends in and makes your skin just pop up, and you look very healthy wearing these highlighters. I am curious to try the other three, but at that point they weren't sending me PR, so I just bought these three. But if I do, I will share that with you. And in the comments, let me know if you are my skin tone. I'm NC42 in MAC. If you are my skin shade, what is your favorite shade of the 6? So that I can get your recommendations and probably go and get some myself. Some more myself, I mean. All right. And do not miss to subscribe. There's a little button called subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Please just hit subscribe. Stay connected, because there's so much stuff I put out on the community page where I take your opinion, your suggestions. I understand, how I can help you better. So all that happens when, you kind of subscribe. So do not forget to subscribe, please. That's all for now. Thank you so much. I am so happy to be featuring your comments with hashtag Team Joy Geeks on screen. Keep that going. I love you.